pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Great Barrington local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we excel at local moves within Great Barrington by providing efficient and reliable moving services. Our experienced Great Barrington local TM movers are well-versed in the city, enabling us to navigate the area smoothly and ensure a seamless moving experience for our customers. We carefully plan and execute each local move with meticulous attention to detail. As a leading moving company, 3 Movers understands the complexities of long-distance moves from Great Barrington. We prioritize the safety of our customers' belongings and strive to provide cost-effective solutions tailored to their budgets. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Great Barrington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.